Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. Today is green day. However, for the month I'm still down because yesterday was quite a sizable red day. However, today I recouped some of it. Thankfully, there's still 20 trading days to go, so I'll just hop into the daily recap. So firstly, for me, the first trade I took was MRIN. Seeing as it's consolidating around this period, choose to add in here, maybe release off the 50 EMA. And just a small starter, so thankfully it pop up. I wait for the 1 minute candle to see if it could try break this. Previously this was the high of day, however it couldn't, just sort of case it, and that's why I sold out around here. Then decided not to touch the last 5 minutes into the opening, which in hindsight, I mean you could go both ways. So previously the chart was looking like this. So yeah, it's really extended in my opinion. However, the market is really heating up. I'm not sure if it's just me, but it's like my third day I feel that's heating up. So it could also came back down, which is why I choose to sell off here. In the open, I did not touch it at all since it's pretty nice. But as you can see, it aiming a new high here, then probably wouldn't be able to go since there's a lot of tickers going on now. Second trade I took was BRN. This was kind of a, how do I say, a follow through consecutive day trade. I traded it the past 2 days too. Today I just added here as it is coming, like it came up the view up, and I was hoping it will bounce off the view up. So added here. It did went up. I sold off quickly here, seeing it's not really holding, but it did better than expected. However, that's like 2 wins. So one winning trade here, one winning trade here. So, and this was in the pre-market. I was feeling pretty great. Very careful, don't want to lose back my losses. And third trade, I kind of held myself not to do any trade. Basically, there isn't any setup that I would feel very safe. Like knowing my mentality, if let's say, like BLIN, okay, let's say MRN, I took a trade here, but it went down, it will demolish both of my gains previously in the pre-market, which I believe will affect my mental a lot, so I choose not to trade unless there's a very safe setup. So as you can see, wave was almost 40, pretty strong, but in the open it halted down, so it was still the leading gapper if my memory doesn't fail me. So I was being cautious about it. Then literally after hot down, seeing the level 2, the price was higher, so we got bought up, halted again. I almost wanted to came in here, halted up again, and this time I see the second halt. I think it was around, the buy was 26.50. Yeah. So this was the opening price. So 26.50 area. So as you can see, open here. So I was contemplating. However, the float, I mean the price action, you see this is $40. As in this difference is like $6, $5. So it can be pretty choppy. As you can see, it came up, came all the way back down near the view up, but it got bought up. So I'm like pretty bullish about it. Same thing here, as you can see, it's being bought up, added here. So this candle I sold off here, seeing there was a huge ask on the sell at 30. So I decided to chicken out here, which is pretty good. It's pretty choppy, as you can see. Just this candle is almost $2, and all of these are at relatively low volume. So yeah, these are the 3 trades I took today. MRN, one trade at the pre-market, BRN another one just right before the market. Didn't dare to hold it into the market. Although both cases seems good, but I'm not gonna beat myself down on that because a winning trade is a winning trade, and it's hard to tell if the stocks decide to go like this. Wave and this basically I only took 3 trades today, all 3 winning trades, 3 out of 3 today. So I didn't want to. I like this mood that I'm having right now, that feeling kind of good about myself, and to carry it into the weekend. Don't want any on a loss or anything. So the market today is pretty hot too. As you can see, all the gappers are pretty insane. All this. So, but I only traded these 3 since like the setup is good. But I'll just go through a little. AOVC was under the radar. Everyone was looking at MRIN with TTT, SDF, and a few other tickers. But AOVC slowly went up. Pretty strong. I was 43, but yeah, I mean, all this period, there isn't any strong pullback to convince me to come in, since it's pretty risky. So all the way, just let it go out without me, since it'd be crazy to chase. But in hindsight, you can't look at it in hindsight perspective, but it was crazy to chase without a decent 5-minute pullback. So I chose not to play it, and I'm okay about it. TTT was choppy as hell, as you can see. This was the PM high, 3rd-minute candle, I think. Yeah, 3rd-minute candle, it did went out, but I think all the huge seller on the ass. So yeah, it came all the way down. And around this period, I was thinking of adding in, like maybe play off a small risk, like 10 cent, 20 cent. But yeah, it went up and got chopped down. So I think I'm thankful that I didn't play TTT, just a gut feeling. So yeah, this is too choppy to my liking. So yeah, TTT probably. Yeah, SDF was another choppy one. I was also looking at it later. As you can see, it was at 619. And so far it's pretty nice, going up, pretty decent. But I already got my. I already decided to stop. Actually, I stopped around 10 when you eat some fruits and stuff. So only did the recap now. Hindsight, SDF was, along with TTT, was on the 4th watch list, in my opinion, which I would have traded. Yesterday, SDF was around $2 to $3. I was looking at when it was around $2 to $3, and all of a sudden today is at, like above the 200 SMA. Actually, it went ballistic one day, so I don't know. Just I'm happy with my gains today. I don't want to lose it back or just get back on my profits. Or worst case scenario, feeling frustrated and traded more and end up being red into the weekend, making it 2 red day in a row into demand. So I'm happy with just having these 3 trades. Apparently we've halted down, so pretty happy with myself today. Hopefully you guys traded better. I was playing pretty cautious today, I'll say. I could have go for bigger moves, but yeah, I choose to be conservative since it's a Friday. So yeah, that's all for today. Hopefully you guys traded better than me, or were in some crazy run up that maybe you got in here and managed to help you here or something. So I really love to hear from you guys too. So basically, the reason I made this channel is trading is a lonely game, as I said. So it'd be nice to have someone to share their trades also, and to say how they traded today or something like that. So yeah, I'll just end it off here, and I hope you guys have a really great weekend. Remember to take care of mind off trading. Try not to like think about. I know crypto will be available, and forex might be available for 1 extra days. Depends on your time zone. So in my opinion, just take your mind off stocks. Saturday, Sunday, I don't know, go out for a meal, have some barbecue, something like that. Whatever it is, just take your mind off stocks, and it's better for your mental. So I'll see you guys first thing in the Monday. Have a nice weekend. Remember guys, stay safe, trade safe, peace.